Hi, my name is Dr. Shilpi Duas and I'm from Pune. I'm a breast oncoplastic surgeon. I came here to learn the breast reduction surgeries and the implant, and I'm very delighted that I have got a great teacher, Dr. Jayan, who taught me the corrections and the incorrect ways, both ways of the breast reduction surgeries. So I'm quite confident after this fellowship and the training program, I can do much better for my patients. Even the implant, the transgender implant and the breast implants, he taught me in such a easy language, and he's such a nice person to teach. Whatever you want to ask, you can ask him directly. There are various implants which he has showed. He has showed about the instruments also. He has got a vast knowledge about this breast reduction and breast implant, not even for the female, also for the transgender breast implant surgeries. And I was lucky to get the opportunity to see the gynecomastia and the fat grafting also, which I can, would be helpful for me in future. So thank you, Dr. Bain. Thank you a lot for teaching me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Divya. I'm a plastic surgeon based at Madurai, Tamil Nadu. I came here with expectations of learning the basics of breast reduction, which I have not learned before. But right now, I'm very confident enough of even doing reduction all alone without even a senior person near me. Really very thankful for all this beautiful surgeries and opportunities you gave us, sir. And he has been really friendly, saying you can call us anytime if you have any doubts. That is really thankful to you, sir. And the 3 days of workshop was really a pleasure for all of us and meeting all of you people. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Vishwanath. I'm a plastic surgeon based out of Guntur. I came to know about Dr. Jayanta from Medicubator program. So I'm here to refine my skills on breast surgery. And Dr. Jayant has been excellent in the way the workshop was organized and how the information was communicated. And the steps which he shared are so reproducible and so standardized that I completely feel that I gained a lot of knowledge, and it would help a lot in my practice. And I would suggest any freshers or even senior practitioners also can get to see the reproducibility of the results, and they go a long way in standardizing the patient care. I thank Dr. Jain for such a wonderfully conducted workshop. Thanks a lot.
He's my friend, Dr. Arvind. We are connected each other for last 6 to 8 years during our fellowship times. So this is the opportunity, and this is the time when he came to see my clinic and what surgery I do. And this for 3 days I actually keep more cases of breast surgery, breast augmentation, breast reduction, gynecomastia. So my friend Dr. Arvind will share his experience.
Hello. As sir has already introduced me. Okay, so I consider him more of a friend, and even more of an excellent mentor he has been. And even though we live in different cities, we don't see each other frequently, but definitely at this time we had great catching up to do. And in terms of academics, in terms of teaching about the intricacies of breast surgery, I'm really in awe of this man. The way he has explained everything, he has an extremely practical approach, basically cutting out all the things that, you're overwhelmed with information whenever you go to any conference or try to read it on your own or from any other source. So all that filtered out, the real practical thing, the way you need to do the surgery, giving you an extra boost of confidence to carry out all these surgeries, be it breast reduction, be it a gynecomastia case, breast augmentation. There is a clear-cut, defined way of and a practical approach to do everything, making your surgical aspect extremely easy. I highly recommend that, in future, anybody who wants to come to and see Dr. Jayanta, he's a very friendly person. And, he's, I would really recommend that anybody get trained under him. It's an opportunity. Please don't miss it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Arjun Reddy. I'm a plastic surgeon from Hyderabad. It was a wonderful experience attending the aesthetic breast workshop held at Bain Clinic with Dr. Jayanta. He has taught lots of tips and tricks related to breast surgeries and simplified the steps of breast reduction surgeries. Especially, it was a difficult thing for me to do the markings and to reproduce the same thing in the operation theater. But that I have attended the workshop here, it will be easy for me to go back and reproduce the same steps and achieve a good aesthetic results. And I'll definitely recommend future young plastic surgeons to come down and attend his workshops and get a reproducible results in the future. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Prakash from Hyderabad. I came to here to attend the workshop of the aesthetic breast surgeries. The main appreciating point is I could get a chance to assist the cases of the various aspects of the breast reconstruction, including the augmentation, reduction, and gynecomastias and transgender procedures for the breast reconstruction. So, and I'll appreciate the way he plan and execute and explain the things in a simplified way. So he is the one who very few surgeons I have attended, and he is the best among the all. And the way he execute the execution and planning, so I highly recommend my colleagues and my juniors. So I am very thankful that I am very happy after attending this. So thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Dr. Priyanka, breast surgeon from Guntur. So this is a very rare workshop. Like we don't see exclusive cosmetic breast surgery workshop, especially in a place like India. And we see breast augmentation courses, but breast reduction courses as such are very rarely conducted. And this is a great opportunity for me. And Dr. Jayan sir is an absolute great teacher, and we have learned a lot from him. And I highly recommend this course for all breast surgeons and as well as plastic surgeons. And thank you very much, sir.